Ford will launch a crossover version of the Figo in India on January 31st, 2018. It will feature a new engine, a 1.2-litre naturally aspirated 3-cylinder from the same family as the new EcoSport's 1.5. The cabin will also share components with the updated EcoSport facelift, including the floating infotainment system that offers Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Tata Motors is set to bring not one but two new SUVs to the 2018 Indian Auto Expo. The two new SUVs have been developed under the codename Harrier and Raptor and share the same underpinnings. However, both models will differ in size, one being a 5-seater and the other a 7-seater version. The two new SUVs will also feature Tata Motors' new Impact 2.0 design language. Harley-Davidson India has inaugurated its new Harley-Davidson University to train service engineers. The university is located at the capital Harley-Davidson dealership in Gurugram and is a mix of classroom sessions and practical hands-on training work on the newest Harley-Davidson motorcycles. The technicians will learn all aspects of servicing and rebuilding of the new Milwaukee 8 engine. The Harley-Davidson University will not just be limited to technical training, but will also offer a range of courses for employees ranging from management to finance and even branding. Bugatti has developed a brake caliper that can be produced by 3D printing. The new brake caliper is made from titanium instead of aluminium and is the world's largest functional component produced from titanium using the 3D printing process. The Bugatti Chiron currently uses the most powerful brakes in the world, but the new titanium calipers are significantly lighter at about 2.9 kilos each as compared to the aluminium ones, which weigh in at about 4.9. The lower weight will of course result in better braking performance.
We test the very best from the automobile industry, sometimes the worst too, just for you. So all you need to do is watch our videos, subscribe to our channel now.